growing lavender can be a rewarding experience, as it not only adds beauty and fragrance to your garden, but also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Lavender thrives in sunny, well-draining locations and is relatively low maintenance. Here are some essential tips for successfully growing lavender. Choose the right variety. There are various lavender species and cultivars available, each with its unique characteristics. English lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, is a popular choice for its sweet fragrance and versatility. But you can also consider French lavender, Lavandula stochas, or Spanish lavender, Lavandula dentata, if your climate suits their requirements. Location and sunlight. Lavender loves full sun and thrives in well-draining soil. Plant it in a spot where it will receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil preparation. Lavender prefers a slightly alkaline soil with a pH between 6.5 to 7.5. Ensure the soil is well-draining and sandy or loamy. If your soil is heavy or clay, amend it with organic matter, such as compost or sand, to improve drainage. Planting. Plant lavender in the spring after the last frost date in your area. Space individual plants at least 12 to 24 inches apart to provide adequate air circulation and prevent overcrowding. Watering. Lavender is drought tolerant once established, so avoid overwatering. Young plants may need regular watering until their roots are well established. Afterward, water sparingly and allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Fertilizing lavender is a light feeder and doesn't require heavy fertilization. Avoid using high nitrogen fertilizers, as they can promote excessive leaf growth at the expense of flowers. Pest and disease control. Lavender is relatively resistant to pests and diseases, especially if grown in well-draining soil and full sun. However, keep an eye out for aphids, spider mites, and root rot. If necessary, use organic pest control methods and ensure proper soil drainage to prevent root rot. Winter care. In colder climates, provide protection for lavender plants during the winter. Applying a thick layer of mulch around the base can help insulate the roots. Pruning should be done in the spring to avoid damage to new growth. Following these tips will help you grow healthy and thriving lavender plants, creating a delightful and fragrant addition to your garden.